Hi friends, welcome to Thinkers IAS. Today let's discuss a general topic, that is BS6 standards. Before knowing that, we need to learn about BS emission standards. Bharat Stage emission standards are the standards to regulate the pollution from vehicle engines and fossil fuels. BS norms are based on European standards. It was first introduced in the year 2000 to regulate the output of air pollutants from internal combustion engines in motor vehicles. So basically these norms were introduced to keep pollution in check. Since then, progressively stricter norms have been rolled. BS2 was introduced in 2005, BS3 in 2010 and BS4 was rolled out in 2017. So Bharat Stage emission standards provide all the rules and regulations for the manufacturers, and they have to produce their vehicles according to these norms. Main aim is to limit the release of air pollutants such as nitrogen oxides, carbon monoxides, hydrocarbons, particulate matters and sulfur oxides from vehicles. Let us see what are the Bharat Stage 6 norms. BS6 is a stricter, more restrictive standard than previous stages. India is currently following BS4 norms that were adopted in 2017 across the country. So what are the challenges regarding BS6? Firstly, manufacturers have to clear their BS4 stock till April 1st, 2020 as per the recent judgment by the Supreme Court. Secondly, billions of rupees have been invested in technology, research and development to make BS6 compatible engines. Serious problem of air pollution in Indian cities also prompted the move to promote stricter regulation and reduced emission from vehicles. Let us see what changes we can see. The new emission standard will require both automobile manufacturers as well as oil marketing companies to tweak their respective products. That means both vehicle and the fuel needs to be BS6 compliant. So what are the improvements in BS6? Major difference between BS6 and BS4 is BS4 contains 5 times lesser sulfur content, that is 10 parts per million, as compared to BS4, that is 50 parts per million. Oxides of nitrogen, that is NOx, produced as a result of combustion will be brought down by 70% for diesel and 25% for petrol engines. Presence of OBD, that is onboard diagnostics, and RDE, that is real driving emission, on all BS6 vehicles, enabling real-time tracking of emissions. Thank you for listening. Please subscribe to Thinkers IAS for more updates. Thank you.